one of the best training programs in the nation and the industry. It's ever evolving, just where the industry is always evolving.
It has honestly made me a better person through and through.
It's a community. It's a brotherhood. It's a family. It's a sisterhood. It's more than just work.
So the IBEW stands for the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. We're typically the first person on the job running underground conduit to feed the power to the building, to the last person on the job putting access control in the building to keep it safe for people coming in and out.
Most people think it's just putting things in the wall or in the ceiling, but there is a lot of work behind those walls that most people don't realize.
I tried college and it just didn't work out. I flunked out, it just wasn't for me, and I was working kind of dead-end jobs. I ended up Googling, what's the best way to make money without a degree? I said, getting a trade. I said, okay, how do I get into a trade? Go to trade school. Well, I can't afford that, so what else can I do is to get an apprenticeship, and then I just, a few more Google searches later and found the IBEW.
First thing is, to come down and see us. We still do applications in person. You can actually visit our website. Our requirements as far as the three main things are driver's license, high school diploma, and high school transcripts to get you started as far as the application process is concerned.
The application process starts in January, then you have an aptitude test, then interviews, and then you get accepted or you have to wait for the next cycle.
It took me 2 tries to apply. My first time, all I had done was retail. What else you go to after college?
I know many people that took multiple years to get in. It took me 3 years to get into this program. That's still the best thing I've ever done.
Your days can be very different. You can be pulling wire at the apartment complex, or you can be at a power plant running 4-inch pipe from one side of the plant to the other.
Right now I'm working for a company, and they're kind of bouncing me between 2 different job sites. One of them I'm up on a state park putting in power for a campground. So it's a lot of underground work, and so when I'm not up there, if we've caught up to the work or we're getting rained out, they send me down to a local chemical plant, running pipe, pulling wire, terminating, a little bit of instrumentation work, a little bit of PLC, nothing too advanced yet. Kind of at the skill level I'm at, it's about where I need to be.
As far as requirements to complete the apprenticeship, you're looking at 720 hours of classroom, 4 years of classroom, and then 8,000 hours of on-the-job training. Anywhere between 4 and 5 years.
In the training center, I have had conduit bending, transformers, motor controls. We learn a lot of math. That's probably the biggest core thing of being an electrician.
We've ran conduit, we've looked at motor controls, transformers. One of the first things I ever really done here was hand bending conduit, and then we've done some transformer work. This year we're looking at a few different little control boards around the place here, kind of help build the fundamentals.
You start out at 50% of the journeyman rate, and you get a 5% increase typically every 6 months worked. And so, until you top out that apprenticeship, you're getting a 5% pay increase every 6 months that you work. After you top out, when you go into management, you're looking at 10% more for foreman, 15% more for area foreman, and I believe 125% as far as total package-wise for a general foreman. You get into management and the possibilities are endless as far as payment goes.
The change in pay is pretty dramatic. Pension, I think we have a total of 3, and then healthcare. I have 0 complaints about any of our benefits. They are some of the best. I know that I'm covered and that my family's covered.
Oh, it's removed a lot of financial instability. We have a good retirement. It's building more than just a career and a way to make money. It's a livelihood.
One of my proudest moments that I've had in the trade is whenever we finish a job. You drive by and know that you built that.
There's a big pride in it, being able to drive by the Civic Center and say, I put those lights on the outside of that place. It is competitive because there's a lot of people that want to join the IBEW. The biggest thing I can tell applicants that don't get into that first try is don't stop.
It has improved every aspect of my life.
It's a community. It's a brotherhood. It's a family. It's a sisterhood. It's more than just work.